Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a unboxing for you today. Today is September the 9th, and the reason I tell you this because I ordered the Kscraft August release, and it was way back in I believe it was August 9th, 8th or 9th, someone around that time. And I'm just now getting my delivery. So yes, thank you to Hannah, because I reached out to Hannah and she helped me find out where my package was, and it was a customs delay. So I appreciate you, Hannah. Thank you so much. She doesn't even know me from a hole in the wall, and she helped me out. She responded, in decent time, which is what I appreciate. So I just got it. My son actually went to the mailbox and picked it up for me. And this is the August bundle release for Kscraft for 2024. And yes, guys, it is, I think it's the Christmas and the back to school. Yes, it definitely is. So here we go. I know you guys have all seen it, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time. But if you forgot what was in the bundle, starting off with the very first thing on the top, this is the reindeer bow die set. And they have, I think, 2 sizes for this bow set. You get a large and a small. So there you go. There's the large and there's a small, and you've got, wait a minute. Yeah, there's 2 sizes. I had to make sure I wasn't fibbing, but yeah. Here's the large size reindeer with the layering piece and the base, and the layering piece has the detail stitches. So you get that also with the small. And there are your reindeer. She's got 2 styles of eyelashes for each size, appropriate sizes. So that is the reindeer. I hope I'm not saying rainbow. Reindeer bow die. And then we have the Santa, the cute Santa everyone has been playing with. He can hold, you can make his hands hold onto something, like a gift card or a candy or something, right? So here's the cute little Santa with all the wonderful layering pieces. I'm just going to break these off so I don't cut myself again, which I've been doing lately. Everybody knows Eileen is prone to disaster. She's always going to have some kind of bodily harm during her crafts. I don't know. Anyway, so there's all the layering pieces, and you've got the little mitts. The mitts even have layering pieces. It's got a cute little buckle, his little smile, facial features. He's got the belt and then the cap, the white part of the cap. And you've got more layering pieces for the face. And I think this is the pom-pom. But there's his arms and his little white fur detail for his coat. It's a nice size. I mean, to finally get it in my hands, I'm just really happy. Thank you again, Hannah. So the next one is the gorgeous Gingerbread mini. I believe it's a mini album. Or you can make it into a mini album, but I've seen a few friends here making him into like a box, a card. Whoops, I don't know where that went. Just to so many different things. For one, I am excited for this, mostly because I want to play with my felt and foam and put it together, and he'll be a cute little, like a plushie, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I can't wait. This is going to be fun to play with. And then we have the add-on set for our favorite ice cream parlor. It's called, this one is the gingerbread for the for the Christmas theme, and it comes with a chimney, and it also has the snow details, and he also has a small gingerbread. I love that extra, you know, embellishment pieces. So we have the garland of lights, we got the wreath, we got a different signage, you know, the store signage, so it hangs like this. And they put the little whatever you want to put on there. This one says bakery, and you got the itty bitty gingerbread, a peppermint. This is a detail for the windowsill. You even get a Christmas tree, a candy cane, some cupcakes up here, even a cookie, chocolate chip cookies, and a teeny tiny bow. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Like, for real. I love this. Oh my gosh, there's so many pokey pieces that I'm just going to have to, like, break them off because I can't. I will cut myself. And so you guys have already seen all of this, so. And I don't believe that it's available anymore. You know, and also, you know, I'll tell you all the time, as soon as you see Hannah release the the sneak peek video, on that video, the release for the video for their, you know, monthly release, as soon as you see it, don't hesitate. Like, so plan ahead, plan accordingly. Because if you don't and you hesitate, you might miss out. And then you'd have to purchase them individually. And it costs more if you purchase them individually. So this one is another one that I was excited to get, where the candy canes, and they have these little ruffled detail for a layering piece. And you also get a little hanger thing. So you attach the candy cane here, and then you can use it as a tag. You could create a tag with that. So you get a small and a large in that set. This is the little gift box set. This will be beautiful with the Christmas tree die set. When I get there, I'll show you. So here's one box. Here's the second box. And then these are like ribbon details that you can add to your box. So you can have the real feel of a package, right? But in miniature. I think that was a really cute touch, because if you're a person that does miniatures or what are they called, dioramas and stuff like that, these are really cute to have. And if you picked up their Kscraft's train, they released it last year. This would be great to add into the train, you know, the train set for packages. So anyway, these are all the details. You get these little flowers, you get leaf details, you get bow details, a little laurel or greenery, and then a really tiny gingerbread man. So all this in the Christmas release, there's so many different sizes of gingerbread men. It's awesome. And it's not the first time she's released gingerbread. So if you have some of her collection, that's a great addition to it. This one is part of the back to school theme dies that came in this release. And this is the jumbo calculator, you guys. It's a mini album. And look at the layers that you get. You get the back piece, you get a stitch piece, and then you get the details, right? And then you also get the buttons, all the layering pieces. Very cute. It also has a bow to make it into a little girly calculator. And you get these little glasses. And I forget who I saw when they first got the set. They made a cute little girly calculator, and it was just so adorable. I just couldn't wait to get this this set. So very cute, especially for those that have like they like to do the back to school teacher gifts. This would be a great little notepad to make into a little notepad for them, or later on for like a teacher's thank you gift. That would be cute. Oh guys, I'm sorry, my nose is itching like I really want to sneeze. This is the new bag topper. It's the Christmas bag topper, and it is the Magic Holiday or Holiday Magic. Yeah, Holiday Magic. So magic layers onto the bag topper here. You get a layering piece for the handle, and then you get the backer piece. Super cute, super, super cute. And let's see. So excited. Uh-oh, of course it doesn't want to go in. I got the new, this one came with smaller shadow words. In this release, it says Cookie Tester. I love that one. Santa's Helper. Candy Cane Wishes. And what is this one? Merry and Bright. And then this one is Mistletoe Kisses. So very cute. Love it. Love, love, love it. That's a great sentiment set for Christmas. I can't wait to use those in our crafting. This is another gingerbread, but it's a mini. And he comes with so many different embellishing pieces. So you got the eyes with the lashes, the bows, the bow tie. And then the icing is a little different for the details. It looks like a figure 8. So that's a cute one also. Here are her poinsettia plates. Really cute. Oh yeah. So you get 5 sizes, I think. And you get the leaves, the greenery for the flowers. So very cute. Or three sizes. 1, 2, 3 sizes. 3 different sizes. This is the crayon or pencil mini album. This is part of the back to school. And look at that. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me get these little pokey ones. Okay, whoops. So there is the main part of your pencil or crayon. Here are the layering pieces. You get a stitch detail. There's the pencil tip, and then this one says thanks, and then this one says teacher and you. So you get all these layering pieces for that mini album. Seen people turn it into a box too, so great addition for back to school. There is the Gingerbread Rosetta. I can't wait to play with this one. I want to see how big or small we can make that. If you want to make it smaller, all you gotta do is cut it down to size. You can make it smaller, and that'll be different size rosettes for you. Here is the tree that I was talking about. This is the Christmas tree, and you layer these pieces up so that they form your Christmas tree, and it's a 3-dimensional tree. So this little piece here, you're going to use this to make the trunk of the tree, and then you cut out as many pieces that you have layers, and it goes in between each layer. It gives you the depth of the Christmas tree. I love it. It's beautiful. And then you have this eyelet type circle. This is the base of the tree. So you have a tree skirt. That's basically what it is. It's your tree skirt, and you have a stitched circle also. So there you have all the pieces to make your tree, and I can't wait to play with this, man. I love crafting Christmas, and I'm glad that we started doing it earlier, because come the holidays, I will not be able to craft as much or as relaxed as I want to. And so, okay, we're gonna put that there. And then here are the gingerbread bag topper. So you get 2 sizes, 2 of the gingerbread sizes, a large and a small, and you get all these layering pieces. I just really need to get these off because they're gonna hurt me. So here's the large and here's the small, and you can use them so many different ways, not just as the bag topper. Like, can you say tag flip? It's really, really, really cute. Great size. I love how they sized it. Not too big, not too small. Perfect. Now this one is the most exciting because you get a stamp with the set. It's an alpha and die set. And you get a gingerbread shaped cooling rack, basically. So you stamp the grid, and then you die cut it, and it becomes your cooling rack. And then you can stamp the alphas. You can see right here, they just die cut your alphas. And I've seen so many projects with this. I'm just, oh, girl, I had so many ideas. But you know, once your ideas start popping up, you end up seeing your crafty friends already creating what you're thinking. It's like, darn. And so this is a bow, and I don't remember this one. Oh, it's the pencil bow set. So this is part of the back to school. So this is the shape. So here's your pencil tip, and here's the eraser, and then these are your bows. So you get a large and a small. Oh, and okay, small, medium, and large. So you get 3 sizes with this bow. They're very cute. I like the 3 sizes option. Can't wait to play with this. And this is the add-on for the nail file die set. Now, I did not pick up the original, and this is just part of the release, so it came with it. So now I have to go find the nail file, the original piece, because this is just the add-on. It's just to add on to that nail file die set. And here is the snowflake mini album. I don't need to pull that out. You guys can plainly see that. And then this is the treat bag holder. You know, I don't know. I forget. I don't have the names, but you get the 2 pieces to make the gift bag holder, or the gift holder, treat holder. I don't know. It's so late. You do get a word with it. It says gift. And then you get all the add-ons to decorate the gift bag. You could use this ruffle detail, or eyelet detail, not a ruffle, to go onto the bag like this on either side. I don't remember who I was watching this morning, but she made it into a mini album. I think her name is Michelle. I don't know. I don't remember. Don't let me tell you something it's not. But anyway, there's so many great ideas out there, guys. Please follow Hannah on YouTube for Kscraft. And I think it's Kscraft_Hannah on YouTube. And she sets out a great video for the release. And then she comes back and then she shows you some samples on how each die is going to look once you finish making it. But that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join the crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video or go live here on my channel. So thanks for watching again. Thumbs up, guys. Bye.